Chicago, 2019. Maya stared at a blank blueprint, her coffee went cold. Then, March 2020 hit, the office lights flickered off. The silence was deafening. Berlin. Lucas swapped an apron for a bike helmet. He delivered 40 pizzas daily, but the app dictated his route. He earned $18 an hour. The algorithm watched his every turn. Lagos. Chinedu coded from a generator-powered room. He built 3 apps in 1 week, but AI tools emerged. They wrote code faster. His rates dropped by 30% overnight. The hierarchy vanished. No managers. No breaks, just data. Maya checked emails at 2 a.m. Lucas raced against timers. Chinedu fought bots. Freedom felt like a cage. Then, the reversal: remote work wasn't freedom. It was surveillance. Apps tracked keystrokes. Cameras watched screens. The office moved home. But the boss never left. Today, Maya designs from a park. Lucas drives a drone. Chinedu trains AI. The workplace isn't a place. It's a signal. We work wherever the network reaches. Lucas stared at his phone. 34 jobs. 1 delivery. For $50. The timer hit 12 minutes. He wasn't an employee. He was a pixel on a map. Meanwhile, Maya refreshed her inbox. 0 replies. She needed $1,200 by Friday. The algorithm hid her profile. Invisibility wasn't quiet. It was expensive. Chinedu watched the code run. 3 AI models. Competing for his task. The winner took 40 cents. Human judgment became a race. Speed beat skill. They thought flexibility was freedom. It was a trap. No benefits. No breaks. Just constant availability. The office vanished. The boss stayed home. Then, the reversal. Remote work wasn't liberation. It was surveillance. Apps tracked keystrokes. Cameras watched screens. Freedom felt like a cage. Today, Maya designs from a park. Lucas drives a drone. Chinedu trains AI. The workplace isn't a place. It's a signal. We work wherever the network reaches. Seoul, 2024. Designer Ji-hoon stared at his sketch. AI generated 40 variations in 12 seconds. He worked 14 hours. The machine worked 0.1. The ghost was faster. New York. Writer Sarah typed 500 words. LLM finished the chapter. It mimicked her voice perfectly. 24 hours non-stop. No fatigue. No coffee breaks. Just output. It wasn't just labor. It was cognition. Digital twins cloned human thought. They analyzed data while humans slept. The workforce doubled overnight. But who was really working? Creativity became a commodity. Ji-hoon sold his style for $15. Sarah's voice trained the model. The ghosts owned the masters. Human effort. Invisible. Replaced by algorithms. Then, the reversal. AI didn't replace humans. It amplified them. Ji-hoon curated. Sarah edited. The ghost became a tool. Not a rival. A partner. Today, work is a signal. Wherever the network reaches, the office vanished. We work everywhere. The future isn't a place. It's a connection. Seoul, 2023. Ji-hoon sat in his apartment. The algorithm watched him. It counted every keystroke. 12,000 per hour. Silence meant laziness. He typed nonsense just to stay visible. Back in Austin, data scientists coded the Watcher. They called it flow state. But it was just math. If you stopped typing for 4 minutes, your score dropped. Ji-hoon wasn't working. He was performing for a machine. Sarah in London faced the same ghost. Her webcam tracked her gaze. If she looked away, her focus score fell. She stared at a blank wall. Her eyes stayed open. The algorithm believed she was concentrating. The twist? Output didn't matter. Visibility did. Ji-hoon finished the project in 2 hours. He spent 6 hours typing a hello world to keep the signal alive. The machine rewarded noise, not work. Performance became a signal. Not what you made. How loud you were. Ji-hoon and Sarah stopped thinking. They started broadcasting. The office vanished, replaced by a data feed. We didn't work remotely. We worked transparently. The future isn't a place. It's a connection. Ji-hoon looks at his phone. A new signal pings. He doesn't go to an office. He goes online. The work is everywhere. The ghost is gone. We are the signal. Ji-hoon sat in his Seoul apartment. 3 a.m. His smartwatch buzzed. Not a notification. A pulse rate alert. He hadn't moved in 4 hours. Just typing. Existing. Sarah was in Austin. She tracked her focus. An algorithm scored her attention. Every blink deducted points. She stopped blinking. Her eyes burned dry. Productivity became a physical pain. Sociologists call it presence theater. Ji-hoon and Sarah performed work. They didn't do it. The boundary dissolved. Home became an office. The office became a ghost. Silence filled the gap. The cost? Burnout. 40% higher in remote roles. Ji-hoon felt invisible. Not working. Just visible. Sarah felt watched. Not valued. Just measured. The algorithm didn't care about their minds. They checked their phones. No new tasks. Just a signal. A ping. It meant I am here. Ji-hoon sighed. Sarah rubbed her temples. The connection was real. The work was hollow. Look at the signal. It's everywhere. Ji-hoon closes his eyes. Sarah smiles. The future isn't a place. It's a frequency. We are the signal. And the signal is strong. Seoul, 2024. Ji-hoon deletes his calendar app. He keeps only 4 days. The 5th day? Blank. Not for rest. For creation. The clock stopped. The mind started. Sarah in Austin clicks a generate. AI drafts the report. She edits the soul. 3 hours saved. She uses them to call her mom. The machine works. She connects. Remote structure. Gig flexibility. AI leverage. 3 forces collide. Not replacing humans. Amplifying them. The hybrid model emerges. Chaos becomes rhythm. Efficiency meets empathy. But who chooses? The algorithm optimizes. Or we optimize it. Ji-hoon sets his hours. Sarah sets her tools. They hold the remote. The power shifts. It isn't happening to us. We build it. One screen at a time. One choice at a time. The future is not a destination. It is a decision. Made daily. Ji-hoon opens the laptop. Same Seoul morning. But different intent. The signal is strong. We are the signal. Work begins. Life follows.